This is my parents' old Zenith TV, bought in the early 80s, shortly after they got married. I grew up with this thing, spending countless Saturday mornings watching cartoons, back when TVs were built like furniture and felt like part of the family. This was before high definition, before streaming, before smart TVs, and yet, decades later, it still works. It just needs a little help. By retrofitting old tech, we extend its life while blending nostalgia with modern convenience, bringing the best of the past into the future.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.